Auto-scaling Jaspersoft clusters for AWS. In its simplest form, launching a single Jaspersoft instance from AWS looks something like this. A single Amazon image, or AMI, is launched, which houses both Jasper Reports server and the corresponding metadata repository, which persists metadata like users and report designs. You connect to your data sources, for example, Amazon Redshift, and your users are good to go. In this setup, all your users will access the single Jasper Reports server instance. The server and databases will be put under load while they are processing requests. Particularly when you add more users, a single instance may not be enough. Similarly to before, you have your Jasper Reports server instance, but in order to remove a single point of failure, you will separate the metadata repository. And instead of connecting directly to one instance, your users will connect to an elastic load balancer, and your instance will be part of an auto-scaling group. As your user base grows, the autoscaler will add instances to handle the additional load, based on CPU usage, and when the load goes back to normal, the additive nodes will be destroyed. Now let's see a demo of how launching an auto-scaling for Jaspersoft cluster for AWS works.
We'll start by searching for Jaspersoft on the AWS Marketplace, selecting the template we want, and then choosing the correct delivery method, which is Jaspersoft cluster using RDS for metadata. We'll pick some options like region, and a whole slew of other options that are explained in our full demo video, which you can find on YouTube as well. One of the most important settings is max instance count. Setting it to 3 means that we're going to start with a cluster size of 1, and then depending on usage, we can grow the cluster up to 3. Finally, we can launch our cluster, and several resources will be created for us. Log in to the Amazon Marketplace to launch your very own auto-scaling Jaspersoft cluster and see the awesome cloud reliability and scalability for yourself today.